What does DJ Khaled actually do? Have you ever wondered that? I definitely have, so I thought since his album just dropped, it would be a good time to talk about just that. So if you want to know what DJ Khaled actually does, stick around till the end of this video. Now, the first question that you probably have is, does DJ Khaled even produce his own beats? The short answer is no. Now, usually when someone thinks about producing, they think about the person who's actually sitting in the studio and making the beat from scratch, and DJ Khaled does not do that. And that makes you wonder, what does he really do in the process of making these hits? So there's a video I want you to watch where DJ Khaled talks about what he does in his studio and how he does it. So I'm gonna play the clip right now and then we'll talk about it after.
I know how to program beats. I know how to produce the full thing. You know what I'm saying? And now
all the way to the mix down to the arrangement.
Everything. Now, don't get it twisted. I have a team and I praise my team. I'm not like these other guys that hide their team. And I come to artists and I present to the artists ideas. Every record has a different story. So I come with the artist's idea and they either love it, and if they love it, they contribute to it. They make it 10 times bigger. That's why you see everybody is a producer and a DJ now. But it takes a great producer like me to tell them sounds is garbage. They're fake. Don't fall for the trap. Let's go with these sounds. Let's do this. Oh shit, this beat you presented me is dope. Give me that. Watch what I do. I make records, I find records, I put records out. I'm a machine. You see what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
Not everybody can do them 3 steps.
No.
Some people can just be the artist.
Yeah.
I can put it out for you.
Now, as you can see, the way DJ Khaled talks about what he does makes you realize that he's more of an organizer than actually a producer. And as you could also hear DJ Khaled say himself, that he has a team of producers that work for him and they are the ones who make the beats. And basically, he doesn't produce the music, but he's the one who promotes it. But overall, DJ Khaled is the person who finds the producer with the right beat, he finds the artist for the right beat, and then he creates the vibes like he says himself.
On my records, I can speak for my records, that's all my vibes.
And there's an interview from 2012 with DJ Khaled and Complex where he specifically says, I make hits, I find hits, and I put hits out. And this just makes it clear on what he does on a basic level. And of course, the other part is actually getting together all the big names on one song. But since he has already established a relationship with most of the people that he makes songs with, that's one of the easier parts. And considering DJ Khaled isn't the one making the actual instrumental, he's more of an organizer than producer. Now, I want you to watch this video right here. It's a video of DJ Khaled working on the song I'm On One with Drake, and this is one of the few videos on the internet that gives us a clear vision of what DJ Khaled actually does hands-on. So I'll play it right now.
I just want to be out there and just get them up, like,
right.
You know what I'm saying?
So you mean off the top, or at the end?
Yeah. At the top, if you filter it, you might change your vibe on it.
Okay.
Just listen to it. Like how you filter your voice, see if it'll sound like a sample.
Right of the horns a bit?
I mean, try and see how it sounds.
You heard it?
Yeah, filter the, yep.
I mean, same way you did Drake's verse, or you know what I'm saying, where it could be melodic, where it is feel good, and that's, you know what I'm saying?
What if...
Now, when I first saw this video made it extremely clear on what DJ Khaled actually does. And as I said before, DJ Khaled is more of an organizer. He has an idea in his head, and to execute the idea, he needs the producer and he needs the artist. But at the same time, without DJ Khaled, the artist and the producer would never have gotten together in the first place. So DJ Khaled is kind of like a supervisor at a corporate company. He manages the workers who in this sense are the artists and the producers to reach a certain goal. So what do you think about what DJ Khaled actually does? Do you think that it's bad that he doesn't produce his own hits? Tell me in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these type of videos. This channel is all about bringing together people like you who enjoy hip-hop and start a discussion on different topics like this. And of course, like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'm out.